Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to share the details of a latest YouTube Studio update regarding videos growing your audience. This is the latest YouTube metric added within the analytics section and under the audience tab. Now, if you take your cursor over to videos growing your audience, it actually tells you how this is going to help you. So it basically means that this metric is going to tell you how many new viewers came to see some of your videos and how many of those new viewers actually came back to watch more content on your videos or on your channel. Now if you look over here, it basically gives you some indicators about how your videos are performing in that sense, like moderate, low, it could be very low, or on the high side as well. So these are some of the metrics which have been used. If you click on the see more option, then it basically by default it shows you the first 7 days video performance of the videos published within last 3 months and how those videos are performing. You can change this by clicking on the options here. You can change it to first 24 hours or for the first 28 days. Let's check the first 7 days option, and then if you scroll down, it gives you some details about the top performing videos, bottom performing videos, and then there's also some videos which are average performing. So it basically, there are different metrics added here. You can add more metrics to the table as well. Some other options are available here as well, but for now we're going to focus on what this is about mainly. So basically it means that you got new viewers, this many new viewers on this video, then you got how many viewers out of those came back to watch more content, and how many actual views you got from those new viewers in total. So this really helps you create more content similar to those topics, which can then keep your new audience engaged, and then actually those could actually turn into some of those might have already subscribed, and there's a potential to turn them into subscribers in future as well. So this is how this metric is helpful. It's a very useful tool. Hope they are going to make it permanent and it stays, because currently it's not available on the YouTube Studio app. You can only check this through the browser on your mobile or on through the website on the desktop. So hope this was helpful and informational. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have any useful tips or tricks regarding this new metric and how you think this is going to help in your channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.